This is 5 questions that I chose. So, number one, discuss arts as humanistic discipline. So, it's involved critical of human phenomena and understand human culture, values, and experience. Number two, what is the perspective of humanities? So, the humanities offer a perspective focused on understanding and interpreting the human experience. Number three, discuss humanities and the Filipino personhood according to Prospero Cubar. So, according to Prospero Cubar, humanities are crucial for understanding Filipino personhood or pagkatao. Therefore, how is the Western concept of art borrowed from Filipino concept? Western and Filipino concept of art differ significantly in their purpose, relationship with everyday life, role of the artist, and the aesthetic value. Number 5. What is the significance of human faculties? Human faculties. So they form the foundation of analyzing and interpreting art through three core level. So yung tatlo po na yun ay perceptual element, emission suggestions, and intellectual meaning. That's all, sir. Thank you.